Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing all about Malabar spinach, also known as Pasalakirai or Bachal Kora. They are in two different colors, one which I have and the other is with red or purple vines in it. Both taste wise are the same, just little bit of peppery and citrusy flavor it is with lot more of sliminess, and that should not be a problem. Watch the video till the end. I will be sharing what fertilizer I use in my garden. You can see I have a very small balcony in which I have two pots which gives me a lot all through the spring till fall. Simplest way of growing it, just simply buy seeds online if you don't find it anywhere. But if you find it in your neighborhood or in your neighbor's house, simply ask for cuttings, keep it in some water for rooting and then pot it. That's it. It will start growing like fire and you won't be able to stop as well. Help it the way I have kept. Keep a long stick, that will make your work very easier, or if you have a garden, leave it near the fence. It will grow very easily all over. It's a tropical plant. It needs lot of water and full sunlight. Sometimes in shade it grows much more better. In sunlight it will give lot of seeds, as well as if you don't water it nicely also it will give flowers and the seeds will come out very soon, or at the end of the season also seeds start to come. That's when you have to collect all the seeds and keep it safe for next season or for sharing with your friends and family. Pruning it again and again gives lot more of branches and it grows much more in double the quantity. If you don't prune, very soon you will see flowers and they will turn to seeds. If you have a plant already, the seeds will fall by itself and in next season you will see new plants coming out by itself. As the plant lives in pot, it needs some or the other fertilizer because it needs nutrients. The pot is less, the soil is less in it, so we need to have some or the other fertilizer. It should be an organic fertilizer because we are consuming it, so we should be very careful what fertilizer we use. Even in a very small balcony, if you have one or two pots, you can have all through the week twice you can harvest this spinach. You can see how I just keep pruning the whole vine. Again the whole vine will be climbing on the sticks which we give for support in between. It's a very healthy spinach. It is always equally good as our normal spinach as well. Full sunlight will sometimes also give lot of seeds. In shade you can see nice healthy leaves will also be there. If you keep it in a fern or some stick you give and there is lot of sunlight on other side and shade on one side, you will see that the leaves on the shady side will be more and the seeds will grow more faster on the sunny side. Today I am sharing my simple lunch at home with this homegrown spinach. Now let's get started. I have taken oil for frying. In that I am just adding little bit of onions, tomatoes, ginger garlic paste, salt to taste, and I have added potatoes, chili powder, turmeric powder and coriander powder. Nicely fry it together until oil separates. Meanwhile I also add one tomato and onion and grind it into fine paste. I will be adding that paste in this curry. I will give it a nice good mix and fry it. If you are a non-vegetarian at this point, you can also add chicken or mutton, but today it's a vegetarian recipe. I am just adding all my homegrown spinach to this. I'm also adding little bit of tamarind pulp. Give it a good mix. If you want, you can add just the water at this point. I am just adding coconut milk. If you have fresh coconut, that is much appreciated. It will give nice thickness also. I was running out of fresh coconut, so I added coconut milk. Pressure cook for 2 steams. By the side I am also making some sides for my lunch menu. It's a very healthy and very tasty curry. Sure, give it a try. Everybody at home will love this a lot. I make different recipes with this Malabar spinach every week. As I make, I want to be in different taste, so that nobody get bored of the same curry if you prepare it in the same way. Sometime I make it with dal, sometime I make it with non-veg, sometime I make it with potatoes. That's how you have to keep making it in different ways so that everybody will be having the healthy spinach. This type of curry you can serve it with rice as well as with roti or dosa. Hope you all find this video informative and useful. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.